How to wire the TX7302 Addressable Sounder Base to the loop. Before starting, note that the TX7980 Fire Alarm Base is used to mount the TX7302 Sounder Base. It provides the physical fixing and terminal platform that the sounder base sits on and connects through. Identify the loop terminals on the TX7302. L plus and L-4 loop in. L plus and L-4 loop out. Connect loop in cable. L plus positive conductor. L minus negative conductor. Tighten terminal screws firmly. Connect loop out cable to the second set of terminals. L plus positive conductor. L minus negative conductor. This continues the loop to the next device. Mount the TX7302 onto the TX7980 base. Align the sounder base with the fixing points on the TX7980. Press down and rotate clockwise until it clicks into place. Fit TNA addressable detector head onto TX7302. Align, press down, rotate clockwise until click. Power up the loop. Check TX7 panel confirms TX7302 address is visible on loop. TX7302 wiring complete.